Rosa Parks Apartments by Hamonic+Masson Associés in Dijon, France. The project's design demonstrates a willingness to engage in a dialogue with its surrounding environment. It introduces a new way of communal living by offering maximal exterior, private, and collective space. The ground floor's transparency links Avenue Jean Jaurès and the eco-district that develops towards the east. This creates views in several directions, all the way to the communal courtyard that opens onto the future community building, which will be constructed at the same level as the Halle de l'Étarmat. The detail on the volume's tiers creates a varied silhouette and also multiplies the different possible uses of the rooftop space. A large shared terrace on the fourth floor provides residents with an outside, collective space, while the building's tiers create large private balconies for all the apartments.